Are you dealing with inflammation throughout your body? Hello, this is Takuya Health Lab. Today, we'll talk about how the power of vitamins can help stop nerve inflammation. If you're looking for natural ways to ease these uncomfortable symptoms, there's an often overlooked yet powerful vitamin you should know about: vitamin B12. This secret vitamin plays a major role in relieving nerve inflammation. Let's dive deeper and also explore other helpful nutrients. Vitamin B12 is essential for the nervous system and can work wonders when it comes to nerve inflammation. It supports the repair and maintenance of nerve cells and protects the myelin sheath, which is necessary for proper nerve signal transmission. A deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage, causing pain and numbness. You can get B12 from animal-based foods such as meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs. For vegetarians or those who struggle to absorb enough B12, supplements can be a good option. Vitamin B6 is another ally in the fight against nerve inflammation. It helps maintain normal nerve function and plays an important role in neurotransmitter production. Foods rich in B6 include chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas. Supplements may also be helpful, especially for people with ongoing inflammation. Vitamin B1 is essential for nerve function and can help combat inflammation. It supports energy production in nerve cells and keeps the nervous system healthy. Good sources include whole grains, pork, nuts, and seeds. Although not technically vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation, including inflammation that affects the nervous system. They help regulate inflammatory processes in the body, which can reduce pain and symptoms associated with nerve inflammation. Omega-3s are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds and chia seeds. While no single vitamin or nutrient can completely stop nerve inflammation, a balanced intake of these nutrients can significantly ease symptoms and support overall nerve health. Always remember to consult a doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you have a chronic condition. How did you like it? We hope the tips we shared today help you live a healthier life. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Today is the youngest day of your life. Let's start with a small step. We'll keep sharing helpful tips, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel.